In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update FF in BlueStacks 5. By the end, your Free Fire will be running on the latest version inside the emulator, ready for smoother gameplay and new features. First, open BlueStacks 5. If it is already running, bring its window to the front so it fills your screen. You should see the main BlueStacks home area, with your installed apps displayed as large icons in the center and a toolbar down one side. On some computers, BlueStacks can take a little longer to start, so wait until everything stops loading and all icons look sharp before you move on. Now open System Apps. On the BlueStacks home screen, look for a folder called System Apps with a simple blue style icon. Click it once. The folder opens in the middle of the emulator window, and you will see several default Android apps such as Settings, Media Manager, and the Play Store. If you accidentally double-click and it closes, just click it again once and leave it open. From there, click Google Play Store. Inside the System Apps window, find the Play Store icon with the multicolored triangle. Click it to launch the store. A new tab or window opens inside BlueStacks that looks just like the Play Store on an Android phone, with a search bar at the top and different app sections below. If this is your first time opening it, you might see a short loading screen while it connects to your Google account. Next, click your profile icon in the top right. In the Google Play Store window, look at the very top row on the right side, next to the search bar. You will see a small circular profile picture, or a colored letter in a circle. Click that. A menu slides down with several options linked to your account. Beginners often click the search bar by habit here, so make sure you are actually hitting that small circle in the corner. After that, select Manage Apps and Device. In the account menu that just opened, look down the list for the option called Manage Apps and Device. Click it once. The view changes to a screen with two main tabs near the top, Overview and Manage. Under Overview, you will see information like storage in use and app updates available. This section controls updates for every app installed inside BlueStacks using that Google account. At this point, under Updates Available, find Free Fire or Free Fire Max. Stay on the Overview tab and look for a section labeled Updates Available. Right under that heading, there is a list of apps that have newer versions ready. Scroll if needed until you see Garena Free Fire or Garena Free Fire Max in that list. When you see either one, you know an update is ready specifically for that game. Finally, click Update. To the right of the Free Fire entry, click the button labeled Update. The button changes to show a progress bar, and the download percentage will start moving. Once the bar completes, the button changes to Open, which means the latest version is now installed in BlueStacks 5 and ready to play. You have just updated Free Fire in BlueStacks 5 using the Google Play Store, so your game now runs on the latest version available. If this walkthrough helped you get Free Fire updated, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more BlueStacks tips.